I bought 22-inch Jericho bundles plus a closure from Shop U8 at Dragon City. Let us make, customize and install the wig while I review the hair lace and what I like about the shop. To prep the bundles, I co-washed using conditioner and left the hair to air dry overnight. I noticed that the hair started to shed slightly once it got wet, but not when it was dry. I found that very weird. This is a one-way or teapot closure, not a 4x4 closure. I had to bleach the knots because they were too dark and too big for my liking. The knots were very stubborn and I had to bleach it twice, to the point that I ended up over bleaching. You will see later in the video that I had to use black eyeshadow to fix and mask the bleached hair closest to the lace, but I guess all is well that ends well. Making the wig was straightforward and not much of a hassle. I ended up using all 3 bundles and I loved the density. If you want to see how I made the wig cap and custom sized it to my head so that I can wear the wig glueless on some occasions, I have a video. I will be sure to link it in the description box below. I hated the length of the closure in comparison to the length of the bundles. The closure is too short, to the point that the result looked like a mullet. I had to layer the front to save it, and let me tell you, it was a mission and a half. You will see later in the video what I mean. To customize the wig, I used water and curl activator to define the curls. I also used a wax stick and hot comb to smooth down the top and the front. First time buying this Jericho texture, and so far I am impressed. I hated that it did bunch up at the ends around my shoulders though. I believe that Shop U8 is a hidden gem. I hardly see any reviews on social media. I mostly see D43. The shop owner is very patient and kind. His hair is great quality. I have 3 other wigs I made using his hair. Price of his bundles are comparable with the other shops in the center. I love that his bundles are very thick. He does have a WhatsApp number if you want to contact him for delivery. But if you want to see his contact details and other Dragon City shops worth your money, click or tap on this vlog over here and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.